pull into this car wash.
Is this self or?
Yeah, you self vacuum.
Yeah, car wash is automatic probably, right?
Yeah, the car wash is automatic.
So are you planning to keep this?
It's a fun car. I
Yeah.
think right now, based on the market and some of the availability, I'm gonna try to sell it,
Okay.
make a few thousand off of it.
Okay.
There is limited availability, and I think because of the chip shortage, I mean, potentially.
Then you're gonna get another one?
Maybe, I don't know. Potentially because of the chip shortage, they could be worth even more in a few months than they are now.
Okay.
But definitely fun. Definitely nothing like I've ever driven before.
Okay. Yeah, I can see that. Just in that short drive, I can see how fast it can go.
You have the unlimited?
No, actually I
We're
don't.
doing a promotion today. If you sign up for a Lava Monthly, it's only $19.99. They give you next month absolutely free. You can wash your car one time every single day at any of our 9 Mr. Wash locations, starting today all through November the 4th. You put your license plate in the computer today. Every time you put up like you did just now, the license plate reader reads your plate, the gate automatically opens up, all you do is put it.
Okay. Yeah, not today. I just want the one wash. Yeah.
One time will cost you $20. You get 2 months with no contract with the same $20.
It's okay. I'll just do the one time. I don't like.
It's a no-brainer, man. No contract.
It's okay. Thank you.
Select an please pay with credit card. Please pay with credit card.
Yeah. You can see. It's got 3 cameras, one on each side. Thank you so much.
Please take your receipt.
Thank you so much. Take care. All
You
right.
didn't want the membership?
No, I don't wash every day. I don't know if that makes sense. And then they charge you $20 a month regardless whether you use it or not.
Yeah. The cleaning car wash will be interesting because we have all the open dome here.
Did you get color kill? Did you get color kill?
But these are very tricky rails. It goes in the rail.
All right. What is it? Neutral, foot off the brake.
You can still see through cameras. Unlike old cars.
You can see it. That's so cool.
Yeah, I know.
Doing it.
And they think we can't see outside. But we can see what's going on outside. This is creepy. Ooh. Actually, these kind of car washes are also a little dangerous, right?
Yeah,
because
it is.
they're on the wheels thing, that track thing.
Yeah, you can damage the wheel.
Damage the wheels, you know. It's better the ones.
We're getting eaten by one. Clear coat. Color.
That's it, done.
Almost. All right, wash it off. See how well it dries. Oh wow.
They're coming like monsters. It's like
Never ride dirty.
it's like in
Car wash. Just a wash.
it's like in Disney movies, you know. And they're making very loud noise too. That's $20, huh?
Yeah.
It,
charge
it,
$20.
it lasted like maybe 3 minutes.
They got a good business running here. They bought this car wash from somebody else and
Yeah,
changed it to mostly self-service, so they don't need many employees.
I know. Yeah, it's dry on top, not on the back, but I think if you keep going, it will dry off probably.